Hello. Hello, this is the My Artifact episode number 3394, maybe 93. No, it's 94, yeah. Today's date is the 23 of April 2025. It's been almost like a night at 10 p.m. Okay. Okay, what exactly happened? Nothing really happened. Just usual day. Productive day, yeah. Whatever, we directly jump into the question. All right, let's go. Let's do this. All right, yeah. Question is, what's stopping my customer from recommending my business to other? Oh, that is a really good question. Okay, yeah. Um, okay, so what exactly is this question, and what, like, it's not really that hard to understand. Okay, yeah. Like, probably is this thing, na, ki regarding about business, like a business expansion, how this thing was gonna happen. Okay, yeah. Like basically is this thing business is actually expand is because of the customer, is because of that key, how does kind of like a customer response, and does customer actually giving the really positive response to your business. Okay, and the customer is actually recommend to the other people that they should supposed to be use this product or service. Okay, yeah. And like basically it's a kind of like a mouth publicity. What do you mean by that? um Okay, I wanted to, like, I did experience the movie name in 2019, or maybe I'm not really sure. Okay, yeah. There is a movie release. Okay, the movie name is a Joker. Okay, yeah. This movie is actually based on kind of like a something like the character, a name of Joker. Okay, yeah. It's a DC movie, by the way. Okay, what's a DC movie? A DC movie, it's a superhero kind of like a movie. Okay, yeah. But in this Joker, it doesn't really have that much superhero. This is actually based on villain, because Joker is a villain in the DC universe, something like that. Okay. So basically, what I'm trying to tell you is this thing. This movie is something very different. I don't know how do I supposed to explain this thing movie was that. Okay, yeah. This movie is kind of like something based on phenomenal acting regarding about Joker, like the that Phoenix guy, like I still remember that his name, Jacqueline Phoenix. Wait, let me Google it. Okay, because his acting was like a really amazing. Okay, wait, Geo Saker. So basically, this is the movie in 2019. Yeah, 2019 movie Joker, and his name is like, yeah, like basically this guy, like Jacqueline Phoenix. Yeah, Jacqueline Phoenix was won the best actor for this movie, and the acting was like, oh my god, like literally this is like, how do I supposed to tell you the gravity of this movie? Okay, yeah, like basically it was something that I don't know how do I supposed to explain. Okay, yeah, whatever. So this movie is like a top notch, literally top notch, regarding about the action, regarding about the way that they express their emotions. Because let me tell you one thing, Joker is an ordinary guy. Okay, literally ordinary guy, but it's just like whatever, like, and as also like right now I'm kind of like somebody thinking of a lot of stuff, and I'm kind of like somebody figure it out what should I supposed to tell you. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna simplify this entire scenario as simple as a thing. Okay, yeah. So basically is this thing, everyone knows what is actually good, what is actually bad. Means like that, ki if you ask anyone that ki killing somebody is good thing or bad thing, obviously 100 out of 100 people are kind of like a saying that ki killing somebody is a bad thing, right? Yeah. Then why does people killed someone, like a basically some of the terrorists and things like that, they would kill the normal people? Why does they do that? Why? It's because of the consequences. Means like that ki as a human we kind of like a tend to choose a kind of like a something, such a decision based on our consequences. Okay, like whatever kind of like a something stuff happened to me, and because of that particular consequences I kind of like a choose a wrong way. Okay, yeah, means like that ki usually a bad person doesn't really born. The consequences are made you to that person choose to be a bad person. Kind of like I'm trying to tell you this problem. I don't know how to like do you understand what I'm trying to tell you? Okay, yeah. This is exactly happened is this thing. This Jacqueline Phoenix, this guy is actually the character is actually present. This guy is kind of like a very normal guy, nothing really at all. Okay, yeah, he was kind of like doing his job and things like that, but there is some sort of consequences is happened to him on his life and things like that. He choose to be a bad person. Okay, yeah. And the transition between from good to bad, the way that movie was kind of like a telling that story from the character is actually choosing from good to bad is something really amazing. Okay, yeah. And basically this movie is actually sold is because of this Jacqueline Phoenix acting. Oh my god, literally just like, yeah. So and obviously this movie is won multiple Oscars, and this movie is actually won the best actor for the Jacqueline Phoenix guy. This, okay, yeah, like I don't know how to supposed to explain. You wanted to kind of like only wanted to see in this movie, you have to see this movie. It was like really amazing. Whatever. So what I'm trying to tell you is this thing. This movie has a kind of like a something doesn't really have any kind of like a something budget to marketing. Okay, yeah, nothing really at all. Okay, yeah. But this movie, what so many people are watch is because of the mouth publicity. What is actually mouth publicity? A mouth publicity means like that na ki usually is this thing that ki people are when to watch this movie is because of people are recommending that ki this movie is really amazing, the acting of this character was really amazing and stuff like that, and is because of that people went to watch movie. Yeah, literally just like that na ki genuinely we don't really have any kind of like a somebody a reason to watch the movie, but this movie is kind of like a recommending so many people that ki this movie should supposed to be watched, and I went there to watch the movie and it was like amazing. Okay, yeah. So mouth publicity is a kind of like a something very essential. It kind of like representing that your business or your service or your product is genuinely really good, and it kind of like add something really value to the people. Then people are recommending this product or service to the more and more people. So that is called mouth publicity. Okay, yeah. Mouth publicity or recommendation and things like that. Recommendation means like that ki I do recommend to watch this and this movie, but mouth publicity means like that ki you are kind of like emphasize on that particular subject that ki this is the one of the great. Okay, that is called mouth publicity. Whatever. Okay, yeah. So this movie was like really incredible. So do you understand what is actually mouth publicity and recommendation? Alright, yeah. Now I have to ask this question to myself, okay, regarding about my business and stuff like that. All right, yeah. So I am doing two businesses. Okay, yeah, right now, two business like basically one business I'm doing, another okay, business like I don't know. Okay, like let me tell you one thing. I am a content creator. How do you supposed to say your businesses like you are doing uploading your content on YouTube platform and you are not even earning any money? You just barely have 1,400 subscriber. How would you say you are doing business? I know YouTube is a business, yeah, but you call this business when you are started earning money and you are started earning money a lot. Then that time you would called as your YouTube is a kind of like a somebody business. Okay, yeah. But barely you don't really have that many subscriber. How would you supposed to call a business? No, it's not. Okay, yeah. Like, get to the point is that okay, I'm doing content creation. Okay, yeah. My content is Photoshop, photography, graphic designing. These are my content. I create my content regarding about this particular topic. Okay, yeah. Now, uh, basically, it's this thing. I upload my content every single day. I'm getting almost like 1,000 views every single day. Okay, yeah. I have 1,400 something subscriber. In Instagram platform, I have 12,000 followers on Instagram platform. Alright, yeah. So, what kind of like a stuff should I supposed to do to people will recommend my content to the more and more people? obviously I have to improve my content. Okay, yeah, I have to kind of like simply make the content as good as possible as I can. Am I doing it that? Yes, yeah, I am doing it that. Okay, yeah. Then why does people are kind of like a something, why does kind of like a something that I am not getting that many subscriber? Is because of that ki at the early stage of the YouTube career, it will take too much time. Okay, yeah. Like what I'm trying to tell you is this thing, when you are trying to building your social media and stuff like that, na, early year, like at the beginning, it was kind of like a something a very struggling. Okay, yeah. Like you don't really get any views and subscriber and things like that. Like basically is this thing na ki till you get almost like a 1 lakh subscriber, you have kind of like a something struggling. Okay, after the 1 lakh subscriber, the journey was kind of like a little bit easy, but the from 0 to 1 lakh subscriber is was it was kind of like a very difficult. Yeah, literally very difficult. Okay, so it's really essential to be to kind of like a be consistency and be unique. Okay, yeah, I am being consistent. Yeah, and yeah, my content is little bit unique too. Okay, yeah, because I I didn't really found any kind of like a something like a creator who kind of like a create the content like me. Okay, yeah. Like what is that like content that you are creating? Like you are creating the Photoshop design, na? Yes, Photoshop design, but it's just like that. It's not the typical Photoshop design. Okay, my Photoshop design is a kind of like a something inspired, kind of like a something trying to telling some sort of message or something like that, and it has to be kind of like a minimalistic and stuff like that. And also I'm kind of like a something making in vertical video format. Okay, not a long form video content. Okay, like it's kind of like a simply very hard to explain in this artifact, but if you wanted to kind of like a simply want to know my channel, okay, you just have to go to the YouTube, search about Saurabh Authare, and you will kind of like a find out my content regarding about graphic designing and stuff like that. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you is this thing, the content that I'm creating is already unique because I haven't really seen any kind of like a something like content who is actually making such type of content. Okay, yeah. And probably is this thing that ki maybe this like might be is kind of like a something I'm unique in India or maybe unique in world, but I'm not really sure because I haven't really seen any kind of like a something content, like any kind of like a something creator who make this content like that. Whatever. Okay, yeah. So it's already a my content is already unique. Okay, yeah. It is really essential to me to be kind of like a be really focused on creativity and consistency, and that I'm doing it that. Okay, like basically I am uploading my content every single day from last 1 year. Okay, yeah. Like basically I started doing this thing for almost like a year ago. Yeah, like literally May. Yeah, I still remember that. May 14th of May is no 14th, no 14th, no, 9th of May. Probably is this thing, no 9th of May nahi hai. Almost like a maybe in the May, yeah, May 2024 I started kind of like a creating content regarding about Photoshop, photography, stuff like that. And maybe just like within a couple of days I might gonna complete almost like a year, so which is really good. Okay, yeah. And within a year I'm being really consistent and being really creative regarding about my content creation. So yeah, and I'm getting almost like a 1400 subscriber. Okay, yeah. Now regarding about why does people are kind of like a recommend to the more and more people, it will take time. Okay, yeah. Like how much time it will take? Like probably like I'm not really sure. Yeah. Why do you say you're not really sure? It's because of that na ki it's a like basically I am doing this YouTube for almost like a 5 year. Yeah, like in 2021 I started kind of like a being as a YouTuber. Okay, yeah. And I try multiple genre, okay, regarding about vlogging, filmmaking, gaming, yeah. And I failed in multiple things. Okay, yeah. And I realized that ki if I try to chase kind of like a something just viral content and this and stuff like that, it will not gonna work. Okay, yeah. So it is really essential to me to be consistent and creativity and just patience and just yeah. And whenever and I do know that ki one day I will gonna get millions of subscriber, but I just have to be kind of like be consistent and be creative and that's what I'm okay. Yeah, because I understand that ki at early stage of YouTube career, you will not get any kind of like a views and subscriber. Probably it's like very less. Okay, yeah. But once you are started getting so many views, it will take almost like it went to million within a month. Yeah, like this was gonna happen. Like basically is this thing, the 1,000 subscriber took you almost like a 1 year or 2 year, but from like a 1 lakh to 1 million takes almost like a month or two, literally. Just like the exponential was actually happened. Okay, so for me, like I decided that I don't know when will I get success or when will I started earning money, or I don't know. Important thing is that I just have to be consistent, and I just have to be kind of like a be creative regarding about my content, and that is what I'm doing at that. All right, yeah. So regarding about the recommendation, yeah, I seen like I kind of like simply found people are actually commenting on my content that my content is really good, really great, and you are really unique, and like a really badass. Okay, like a very positive affirmation, kind of like a something words that people are commenting on my video, which is really good. It felt really good. So yeah, like some people are kind of like a recommending, but still what I'm trying to tell you is this thing na ki my content is actually based on genre. Okay, genre base. What's a genre base? A genre base means like that ki like the people who are associated with the Photoshop, photography, or graphic designing, those people are kind of like a something associate or kind of like a connect with my content. The people who are not in that particular zone, they will not gonna connect. But like basically it's not really that hard. Like basically I'm not kind of like a somebody create a content regarding about the normal people would not understand. That is definitely not. Like I create a kind of like a somebody content that normal people would also understand, but still it's just like that na, regarding about like I put the Photoshop word into my content creation na. So basically YouTube is actually finding the people who are regarding about the Photoshop people and stuff like that. Okay, yeah. By the way, it's like then don't use Photoshop word. Like it's it's something that na ki whatever you do, okay, like you could use any kind of like a keywords and stuff like that. You shouldn't supposed to be expect that ki your content will gonna went viral. Nothing really at all. Or maybe it will went viral and then after that you will get almost like a normal views. So it is really essential to be that ki get organic growth. Okay, means like that ki be patient, and definitely YouTube will gonna kind of like a provide you your content to the more and more people. And yeah, and basically this thing na, YouTube will do this thing by itself. Okay, yeah. It's just like that ki like other people will gonna recommend. It's kind of like a something I don't know. Yeah, but important thing is that ki be consistent, be creative, and definitely it will gonna work out. So that is what I'm doing with that. Okay, so this is what kind of like a something regarding about the content creation. Now I have another business too. Okay, what is that business? Okay, yeah. Okay, so basically the things that you are actually hearing is called artifact episode. I don't know, I mentioned this thing multiple times, but whatever. What is actually artifact episode? Artifact episode is a kind of like a diary, like a people who wrote the diary every single day. This is exactly what is it. Okay, I means like that people who wrote the diary, instead of that I'm kind of like a recording. Okay, yeah, means like that ki I'm recording this thing instead of writing. So it's a kind of like a something, and I kind of like put the name as a artifact episode. Okay, I'm doing this thing since 2015 every single day, and because of this thing I kind of like try to connect with myself, try to talk with myself, and I get lot of kind of like simply values while recording the artifact. It's something that na ki I don't know how do I supposed to explain this thing. It was like a really incredible. Okay, the experience like when I'm try to talk with myself, it felt really good. It felt something that ki I get some sort of opportunity to express myself. So that is really good. Okay, so and I am kind of like a thinking that ki not thinking like I will gonna definitely make a app. What is exactly app? App means like that ki like this is my app, means like that people would gonna record their audio artifact. Okay, yeah, but also they would kind of like share those artifact on the internet, means like that in my like basically this artifact is a kind of like simply act as a social media. Okay, social media platform where people would kind of like simply record their artifact and upload it on their platform. Okay, yeah. and people will gonna listen those artifact. Okay, yeah. Now how do I supposed to kind of like do the stuff that people will kind of like recommend my app to the more and more people? What kind of like a stuff I should supposed to be do? It is really essential to be that okay, my platform should supposed to be kind of like a simply add some sort of values to the people, and it is like basically I am doing this thing for almost like a decade, and I realize that ki, because of when I'm trying to talk with myself, I get so much values and so much kind of like a things that it's very hard to explain how do I supposed to it is really good. Okay, yeah. So when the people will gonna record the artifact, they will get some sort of values, and because when they will get some sort of values, they will definitely gonna recommend to the more and more people. Okay, yeah. So yes, but still, what I'm trying to tell you is this thing that ki I haven't really made the app, okay, and I haven't really faced the kind of like a something the problem. Okay, yeah, means like that ki the things that I'm thinking right now and the things that will happen in real was kind of like a something far more difference. Okay, yeah, I'm thinking that ki my artifact like basically my app will kind of like a work really good, but in reality it might not gonna work that good. Okay, yeah, it depends on lot of stuff. If it depends on lot of things. Okay, important stuff is that ki what kind of like something action that I do and how much kind of like something implement in real life. Okay, yeah. So when I will gonna make this app, I will gonna make sure that ki it will gonna add some sort of values to the people. It will when it add values to the people, value means like that ki people find out something really, they get something. Okay, value means like interesting, inspiration, or whatever it is. Okay, yeah, they will recommend to the people. Okay, and I will make sure that I will my platform will gonna add value to the people. Whatever. So this is it. This is it. I should supposed to be in here, and thank you.